Hey guys, Luther here from Luther's Woodworking. I just wanted to do a video on the inside of my garage. It's a place where I store a lot of the things I make. So I'm just going to turn this camera around and show you. This is when I just first come into my garage. This is what you're going to see. All right, so when you come in the garage, you're basically going to see this right here. This is the inside of my garage. I'll just do a quick pan around the inside, and then I'll go a little closer to all the shelves and stuff. But basically, this is the inside of my garage. I don't put a car in here. This is where I display a lot of the things I make. And what you see here is probably only a third of what I have. I have things in containers or totes, and I do have a van full of items. So when you first come in the garage, let me show you here off to the left. You're going to see some shelves here with some toys that I made here, and I have shelves throughout my whole garage here with different items that I make, and I display all these. Now I just don't make stuff and set it up and let it get all dusty and stuff. This is well maintained. Everything's all dusted on a weekly basis. Everything's all ready to sell or to give away, whatever I want to do. I just keep on making the stuff and displaying it. There's some Flintstone vehicles that I made. And then way up on top here, you'll see a circus train that I made. And then also a plaque up there, a hand-carved plaque. But you'll see I just keep on making things and displaying it. And then along the bottom of my garage, you'll see totes and a couple boxes. I do have a lot of other stuff in them totes that I don't have out. I try to keep one or two items of everything I make out, but I still don't even have room for that. So there are things in this garage that I do not have out. There's some skeletons I made from makecnc.com. And if you go over here, you'll see a shelf. This here has got a bunch of Easter things in there and some St. Patrick's Day things in there. And if you come out over here, you'll see across the bottom here, I got a lot of different items, scroll saw stuff. You'll see a lot of Steve Good items. I do a lot of Steve Good items. Across this whole area, there's a lot of Steve Good items. And then here's some ships that I made from another designer. Here's a Steve Good ship way in the back. There's some cargo ships right here. And here's some more Steve Good items across this shelf here. Then you go way up on top up here. There's a Titanic I am working on. I haven't finished it yet. Then a couple more items way across the top, some trains. But I'll come back down here. There's a big dinosaur that I made, and I will be making more of them dinosaurs. But lately I've been doing a lot of these scroll saw pictures, and there's one right there. If you check my Facebook page out, you'll see a lot of them. And then also here's another scroll saw picture that I did. But all this stuff is displayed in my garage. And then this glass case I got right here. I have I got Christmas ornaments across the top. Here, a few of them. But I have a lot of farm equipment, some trailers, tractors, and I have probably a lot of these packed away. I only have a few out. But then if you go across here, you'll see I have a lot of lights up in my garage. Refrigerator and freezer right there, a lot of Christmas stuff on. But you'll see a lot of these scroll saw pictures that I've been making. And there's another one right there. Actually, I got that one sideways. But yeah, there's then on top my freezer up here, and refrigerator. You'll see I got a toymakingplans.com. There's that pirate ship right there. And then I do have another the unsinkable yacht. That's from toymakingplans.com. Right there. Then you come over here. I got some more stuff on the wall displayed. There's my bubblegum machine there. I had that all redone. It's all brand new from the 50s. But if you go across here, I do have a lot of stuff displayed on the wall. There's some dragons from Steve Good. And then the dinosaurs here. These are from makecnc.com. All the dinosaurs. And there is some semi-trucks. These I won't sell right here. These I only made one of each of these semi-trucks. Then I got all the trailers right here. Then I also have a lot more of these screw saw pictures that I'm working on. I try to get down to about 4 a month on them. And then you'll see a lot of totes back here. I do have all these totes right here. I have Christmas items in. I don't have them out, so you're not seeing a lot of these Christmas items. I just don't have the room for a lot of this stuff. But I don't let it get all dusty and dirty. I take care of all this stuff as I make it and display it. And to come around over here, there's some Steve Good snowmen signs right there and some flags. And then if you go over here to this shelf up here, you'll see I have a lot of, there's some tanks and some army guys from Steve Good. A lot of little toys right there, and then on the bottom there are totes there. They got puzzles. And then you go up here to this shelf. There's a lot of crosses. This is a lot of Steve Good items. A lot of the stick people from Steve Good's website. And there are some battleships, aircraft carriers. And then up here is some Christmas clocks that I made. And then way on top, I did some Steve Good wagons. Them were fun to make. I did 5 of them, I believe. 6 of them I did. I sold 1. But then if you look down here, you'll see I got my different things set up here. And then I got another scroll saw picture here that I made. More Steve Good items. There is Noah's Ark from toymakingplans.com that I did. And then you'll see a lot of stuff hanging on the walls. Some cradles, some more Steve Good items, some baskets from Alex Fox that I made. Just a lot of stuff, a lot of Americana stuff I do make, a lot of Americana stuff. And then here is there's some wooden fences that I did. And there's also another scroll saw picture I did from Alex Fox. Then if you come around here, let me just come around here to my garage door right here. If you look around, I'm standing kind of like in the middle of my garage. You can see the garage door. Got lights around it, all decorated. There is a Christmas house that I did from Sue May. I enlarged it, so it is actually a pretty good size Christmas house. And if you come around here, I do have a lot of stuff sitting on the table here, like this 10-card train right here. I do actually have 10 of these. Like I said, I don't have all this stuff sitting out. Baskets. There's some jewelry that my wife made. We have more of that. We just don't have it all out. A lot of stuff we don't have out. I just don't have room for it. But we do have an awful lot of stuff. My van is completely full of stuff that we've done. But if you just take a look around this whole garage, this is what you're going to see when you walk into my garage. And this is set up like this 365 days a year. I keep this all nice and clean and dusted and move things around. And I don't let nothing get all real dusty and stuff, because I'm not going to make it and just hang it up and forget about it. So basically, I just display it in this room. Got my chair I sit in right there. I can sit and listen to music or whatever. A couple tables in the middle of my garage. But basically, this is it. This is what you see when you actually come in my garage. And basically, this is it. So, hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up. And you can make some comments if you like. But this is what you see.